Here are 5 must-have portable items that will make your summer travel experience easier and more. Item 1. Portable kettle. This is a great option for travelers who want to make their own hot drinks, like tea or coffee. Portable kettles are small and lightweight, so they're easy to pack. They also heat up quickly, so you can have your hot drink in no time. Item 2. Portable first aid kit. It's always a good idea to have a first aid kit on hand, especially when traveling. A portable first aid kit will have everything you need to treat minor injuries, like cuts, scrapes. Item 3. Collapsible water bottle. Collapsible water bottles are compact and lightweight, so they're easy to pack. They also come in a variety of sizes, so you can choose one that's right for you. Item 4. Sunglasses case. If you wear sunglasses, it's important to keep them safe and protected. A sunglasses case will help to prevent your sunglasses from getting scratched or damaged. Item 5. Disposable towels. Disposable towels are a great option for travelers who want to avoid having to wash towels in a hotel or hostel. Disposable towels are also compact and lightweight, so they're easy to pack.